Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Roni Firmansyah, NIM A1G1211073. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang bahasa Inggris, yaitu present tense. Oke, yang pertama yaitu present tense digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu perbuatan yang biasa kita lakukan, misalnya setiap hari, setiap minggu, setiap bulan, dan setiap tahun. Rumusnya plus S plus verbs 1 plus ES or S plus O plus adverbs. Tanda kurang S plus do or those plus not plus verb 1 plus O plus adverbs. Tanda tanya do or does plus S plus verbs 1 plus O plus adverbs. Adverb sama dengan every day, every week, every month, every year. Lanjut. Do atau does digunakan apabila ada kata kerja he does not work every day atau does he work every days. Keterangan penambahan ES atau S pada kata kerja. Kata kerja yang berakhiran huruf dengan huruf CH, SH, SS, X, dan O harus ditambahkan huruf ES. Apabila subjeknya adalah he, she, it, maka he watches TV every day. She goes to campus every Thursday. Selain kata kerja yang tidak berakhiran dengan huruf CH, SH, SS, X, dan O, dan masih bersubjek he, she, it, maka kata kerjanya hanya ditambah huruf S. Contoh, he eats bread for breakfast. Lanjut. Kata kerja yang berakhiran dengan huruf Y yang didahului oleh huruf konsonan, maka huruf Y diubah menjadi IES. Contoh, study. She always studies English every day. Contoh present tense. 1 plus they work every day minus they do not work every day. Do they work every day? Number 2. We study English every day. We do not study English every day. Do we study English every day? Lanjut, exercise. Change the station. Exercise, change this synthesis into positive, negative, or interrogative sentence. 1. I drive my car fast. Negative. Do you like watching television? Positive. She does not live near the park. Positive. She never ate vegetable. I usually go to bed early. Negative. Oke, sekian itu saja dari saya. Presentasi saya mungkin itu saja. Mohon lebih dan kurangnya mohon dimaafkan karena itu kemampuan saya. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Roni Firmansyah, NIM A1G1211073. Di sini saya akan melanjutkan materi yang kedua, yaitu the past simple tense. Oke, langsung saja ke materinya. Itu usek 1. Use the past simple to express an action that started and finished at the specific time in the past. Sometime The speaker might not actually mention the specific time, but they do have one specific time in mind. Example, I saw a movie yesterday. Last year, I traveled to Japan. Did you have dinner last night? She washed her car 2 hours ago. 2. We ask the simple past to list a series of completed actions in the past. This action happened first, second, third, fourth, and so on. Example, I finished work, walked to the beach, and found a nice place to swim. I arrived from the airport at 8 o'clock, checked into the hotel at 9 o'clock, and met the other at 10 o'clock. Did you add flour? Pour in the milk and add the eggs. Number 3. The simple past can be asked with a duration which start and stop in the past. A duration is a longer action often indicated by expression such as for 2 years, for 5 minutes, all day, all years. It's example, I live in Brazil 2 years. Rati studies Japanese for life for 5 years. They sat at the beach all day. They did not say at the party the extra time. We talked on the phone for 30 minutes. The simple past can also be asked to describe a habit which stopped in the past. It can have the same meaning as asked to. To make it clear that we are talking about a habit, we often add expressions such as always, often, usually, never, when I was a child, when I was younger. Example, I studied French when I was a child. He played the violin. He didn't play the piano. Did you play a musical instrument when you were a kid? She worked at the movie theater after school. 5. Number 5. The simple past can also be asked to describe past facts or generalization which are no longer true. As in use for above, this use of the simple past is quite similar to the expression used to. Example, she was shy as a child, but now she is very outgoing. He didn't like tomatoes before. Did you live in Texas when you were a kid? People paid much more to make cell phone calls in the past. Past simple regular verbs. The past simple tense of the most English verb, regular verbs, is formed by adding at or the to their base form. If the verb ends in a, we add the from to from the past simple. Example, we arrived at 9 o'clock. My brother lived in London 4 years ago. When she was young, she danced beautiful. Boiling rollers. If a regular verb ends in consonant plus y, change y to I and add it. Contoh, carry menjadi carried, study menjadi studied, fry menjadi fried, try menjadi tried. If a one syllable regular verb ends in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, double the final consonant and add. Menjadi edge, stop menjadi stopped, plan menjadi planet, rub menjadi rubbed, dan beg menjadi begged. If a regular verb has more than one syllable and ends in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, we double the final consonant only if the final syllable is stressed. Contoh, prefer menjadi preferred, rector menjadi rectored. Expansion. In British English, verb ending in I, have, to before it, whether the final syllables in sentence or not. Travel menjadi traveled. Lanjut, irregular verbs. There are also some verbs, challenge irregular verbs that have special past tense form. See list of irregular verbs. Contohnya, we went go to school yesterday. The children read that story last year. Tamar wrote the letter to her friend on Sunday. The studies forgot menjadi forget to do the homework. Negative form. Negative in the simple past are formed by adding didn't informal or did not formal before the simple form of the verb. Subject, did, not, V1, rest of the synthesis. Contoh, the girl didn't come to school yesterday. The parents didn't work on Sunday. The baby didn't drink milk in the morning. Question. Yes or no question. Did, subject, V1, rest of the synthesis, question mark. Contoh, did never see his grandparents yesterday. Ada WH, ada non, subject question. Mungkin itu saja dari saya. Itu mungkin penjelasan saya. Kurang lebihnya mohon dimaafkan. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.